The 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is redefining what it means to travel in style and comfort. Step inside, and you'll instantly realize this isn't just another van, it's a luxury home on wheels built for the modern explorer. Every inch of the Savana Limo Camper has been designed with innovation, convenience, and freedom in mind. As you enter, the first thing that catches your eye is the spacious interior layout. The open concept design makes the cabin feel airy and inviting, with high ceilings and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The color palette combines light oak wood textures with soft lime accents, creating a refreshing and modern aesthetic that stands out from traditional campers. The seating area is crafted with plush leather upholstery, offering both comfort and sophistication. Up front, the cockpit feels more like a luxury SUV than a motorhome. The driver's area is equipped with a digital display cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen, and advanced driving assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera make driving and parking this camper effortless. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, and the seats offer full electric adjustment with memory settings, ensuring maximum comfort for long drives. Moving toward the living area, you'll find a beautifully designed lounge that easily transforms into a dining or sleeping space. The modular sofa wraps around a collapsible table, perfect for family meals, working remotely, or just relaxing with a cup of coffee. At night, the entire area converts into a cozy queen-size bed with just a few quick adjustments. Integrated storage spaces under the seating keep everything organized and out of sight. The kitchen setup in the Savana Limo Camper is another highlight. It's compact yet incredibly functional, featuring an induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, and a smart refrigerator with temperature zones for food and beverages. The countertops are made of durable composite material that's both lightweight and elegant. LED lighting above the kitchen area adds a soft glow, giving you a comfortable cooking experience whether it's day or night. The camper's bathroom is surprisingly spacious. It includes a full standing shower with a rainfall shower head, a ceramic toilet, and a vanity mirror with built-in lighting. GMC's new water recycling system ensures that every drop of water is used efficiently, allowing for longer trips off-grid. The Limo Camper also features an advanced air purification system and climate control, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather outside. When it comes to entertainment and connectivity, this camper doesn't disappoint. A 32-inch smart TV is mounted on a rotating arm, allowing it to be viewed from multiple angles. The integrated sound system with surround speakers fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio, perfect for movie nights or listening to your favorite playlists. There's also high-speed satellite Wi-Fi, multiple USB-C charging ports, and wireless charging pads for all your gadgets. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is its off-grid capability. It's powered by a hybrid electric system that combines an efficient turbo diesel engine with an electric drive module. The solar panels on the roof continuously recharge the onboard battery system, providing enough power to run appliances and electronics for days. The exterior also includes an electric awning, LED floodlights, and an outdoor cooking station for those who love open-air adventures. At the back, you'll find a spacious cargo area that can easily store bikes, camping gear, or extra luggage. There's even an optional slide-out storage tray for added convenience. The rear doors open wide, revealing a beautiful panoramic view that turns every parking spot into a private retreat. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is not just about traveling, it's about living freely, exploring deeply, and enjoying every mile in unmatched luxury. Whether you're cruising down the highway, parked beside a lake, or camping in the mountains, this camper ensures that home is always with you. With its futuristic design, intelligent features, and eco-friendly performance, the Savana Limo Camper is ready to take van life to an entirely new level of comfort and adventure.